Something. Who's starting? Okay.
Thank you, everyone. My name is Wavinya from Makueni, and I want to, poke holes on what happened yesterday. Being a voice of the PWD and young women in this country, we demand inclusion in most of those things that the government is talking about and actually calling us fools. I just echo what my colleague just said. He calls us fools. Anatuita wajinga, anatuita mad people. We are not mad, and I want to call every PWD in this country, I want to call upon every single lady in this country to go voice it out in our chamas, in our grassroots collections, in our areas, in our spaces where we govern and where we work. Let us tell everyone about the ill of this country, the ill that the government is, meting on us as the young people. So we are going to do that through the vote. Atutasema tu Ruto must go. This time we will take him home through the vote. So emergency water, please make sure you are armed with your vote, because it is your voice, and that is what will take Ruto home. Thank you.
Thank you. Just give the lady next to you.
Hamjambo wa Kenya wazalendo. I am Gen Z Bardie, a teacher by profession, a young woman in politics, and a civic educator, uko social media. And I am live currently, and there's a comment that has just passed by named Shika. Amesema we need to talk about the solutions and not the problems. Because again, where attention goes, energy flows. And if we continue problems, alafu. And for me, I think now the solutions is action. Tumesikia stories sana, tumedanganyo, kuna mtu anasema Ruto rise all the time. And all the time, tumesikiza lies sana. And I think now for the solution part, it's about action. Kenyans, we need to act. Gen Zs, we need to act. Leaders, we need to act. The government needs to act. You can't tell us to add you 60 more days for something you had 365 days and more to act on it. Unatuambia tukuongezea 60 days. Kwani anyway, another thing for the solution, change of regime. It's not only change of leadership. We need to change the regime. How things are done in this country. Tumechange leaders. Si tumechange. Things zinachange kweli. It's time we change the regime. It's time we need a young person. We need a voice that will speak for us. Wewe unajua CS wa agenda ni 56 years old. 56 years old. Alafu niongelele mimi. We need to change how things are done in this country. Inclusivity. Niliona kwa 10-point agenda we were supposed to be included as the youths. Wakichagua ati CS, wakichagua PS, walikuwa wanafaa to include. But we have seen that political loyalty is something that comes first when elective positions are being done. Sindio? Watu wakikuwa nominated ni huyu alikuwa na mimi sana. So please, Senator and the Linda Mwananchi, choose your loyalists wisely. Usikubali ya class 2 dropout akwe loyal to you. Jusiju utampea nini? Thank you so much. Na kwa hiyo MOU, Senator, unge slide in ka Ruto must go. Sasa angekuwa home. Jua somangi, thanks.
Abby, I was very tempted because